And so from the past 24 hours, it's been snowing very hard. And yeah, as you can see, it's very crazy, I'll say. We cleaned up this driveway. I bet you guys can't even tell that this is a driveway. So we cleaned up this driveway this morning, and now it's full again. So what can we do? There's no cars at all, and I don't suggest going out because it's very cold and you will be stuck. So, but this stuff is just fluff. It's not very packy. I really don't suggest going outside at all. Except if you want to play in the snow like we.
Woo!